Rava or suji is tasty, inexpensive, and an Indian kitchen staple capable of being transformed into a number of creations. Here are 3 delicious and easy rava recipes which you can make with ingredients you'll definitely have at home. Firstly, we need to make the rava base. So we dry roast a cup of rava on a medium flame till it's golden and toasty. Always roast your rava. Then we'll take some oil in a pan and saute a chili and some ginger. Once done, add 2.5 cups of water along with some desiccated coconut and salt. Let it boil and then add in the roasted rava. Stir it continuously and bring it together. It should be dough-like. Now set this aside and let it cool a bit till we prep the filling. We're going to blend a cup of fresh or frozen peas in a blender with some garlic, ginger, and chilies. Keep the filling chunky. Now in a pan, we'll heat some oil. Add some cumin, hing, crushed coriander seeds. Now we'll add some onions. When these are cooked fully, add the peas mixture and let it cook. After 5 minutes or so, add the cumin powder followed by salt. Now finish with some coriander and a squeeze of lime juice and put it aside to let it cool off. Now back to the rava dough. We'll knead this just like a dough and then start portioning off pieces and flattening them. Add a bit of our cooled filling and seal it up. I'm going for small discs. You can try whatever shape you like. If you find you've got less dough and more filling, just break off a piece and seal off any holes. Now these can be steamed, which is super healthy, pan fried, which is faster but less healthy, or even deep fried. To steam these, just grease the plates and steam them for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can pan fry them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they're golden. Make the filling the day before and these will make a super quick breakfast or snack. Now for our second recipe, the steamed suji bondas, we'll use the same rava dough base. Only this time, we'll roll it into small balls. You can make these big, but we prefer the tiny ones. Get them ready and we'll steam them in a steamer for about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure they don't go too soft. Then all you have to do is toss them with your favorite spices. We'll start with some oil, dry red chilies, cumin. Let them cook. Then add in the urad dal and curry leaves. Lastly, add in the red chili powder, turmeric, and salt and cook it slightly. And then add in the steamed bondas. Toss them and finish with some coriander and you're pretty much done. A fun snack that even the little ones will enjoy. For our last recipe, we'll do the famous rava idli. We start again with a cup of roasted rava, to which we'll add half a cup of dahi. This rava is pre-roasted. Whisk it to prevent lumps and then add a cup of water to form a paste. We let this soak for 15 to 20 minutes to let the rava soften while we prepare the tempering. Starting with oil in a pan, we'll add some mustard and cumin and let it crackle. This tempering flavors the idli, so feel free to get creative with it. Follow that with the urad dal, green chilies, and ginger. Now we'll add this tempering to the rava mixture along with grated carrot, coriander, and salt, and stir it in. You can of course customize the veggies to your liking. Add a cup of water to form a paste. Then add half a teaspoon of baking soda and after greasing the idli plates, start filling them up. Make sure to thin the batter or thicken it with some extra rava if required. We'll cook these for 12 to 15 minutes approximately and then they're done. 3 delicious rava recipes that you can whip up at any time with ingredients at hand. If you like these recipes, let us know and share your own creative versions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.